AZEK Trim with Paint Pro technology is an excellent choice for exterior trim projects. It cuts and machines with regular carpentry tools and carbide blades and fastens easily with exterior screws or ring shank siding nails. Boards should fit tightly together when first installed. Joints, like butt joints on window and door casing, and scarf joints like this one, must be glued. For best results, use AZEK PVC cement. Make sure both surfaces of the joint are in complete contact with each other before fastening. Glue joints should be fastened within 2 inches of the joint on either side, and then again 2 screws every 16 inches. You don't need to worry about the ends splitting, so you can fasten right up to the edge, but no more than 2 inches from the ends. For boards wider than 8 inches, increase to 3 fasteners every 16 inches. For a premium install, use the Cortex hidden fastening system available with AZEK Paint Pro plugs that hide fastener holes for a smooth, pristine finish.